What's going on, guys? Back with another trapping video. If I didn't upload the video of yesterday, I think I did, but I don't know. But today, it's been rainy all day. I actually just got done with football practice. So, sorry if this video is late today, but I'm going. It's down. Doors down. What? The heck? Coyotes. Oh, snap. That ain't no raccoon, guys. Oh, shoot. See, a raccoon would have went back there and ate all that. I bet it was a coyote and it set the trap off. Oh, shoot. Well, that went all the way around the trap, too. Actually, I hate my dogs. It was my dogs. Because if you guys didn't know, I buried the raccoon right here last night. They tried to find it. Well, I had a hole for the next raccoon, but guess not. Set it up and hope for the best. I hate dogs sometimes. Wait, what? You're telling me that did not set all the way? It was actually just like that. And I started pulling up, and I was like, wait, shouldn't that have been down there? Yeah. I hate my dogs. One second, guys. And I'm back. Wonderful. Well, see you guys another day. Peace.